Hi everybody, this is Stefan from EDC Austria, and I just received the package I was waiting for. And not to complain, but it's from the US and I paid $101 for shipping plus an additional 133.87 euros in import taxes. I mean, I'm not required to buy knives, but still could be cheaper. And this is a real unboxing, as in I have never opened this box. You see, all the seals are still there. Wait. Don't wanna cut this up too bad. This is probably why people edit unboxings. Ooh, even this is a CT box. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, that's nice. Don't even, well, I have to. This is a limited edition. Certificate of authenticity, zero tolerance, 0392 purple black, with serial number 380 or 386, is genuine and authentic. That's always good to know. And still they don't give you anything. Even a Genzo knife has a pouch. Ooh, it feels nice. Ooh, doesn't deploy right the first try. It is a bit cold from outside. Yeah. Will need a bit of break-in, but it is really nice and smooth. Oh. Let's check that out. Don't worry, I'll... Oh, okay, those aren't meant. Those are just his thumb stops. And we, of course... No, we have the insert. I'd guess this is a lock bar insert. It's full titanium. Black with purple. Yeah, the serial number is 380. I wonder how many there are. It didn't say in the email from Zero Tolerance. As for the steel they used, it's M390. I don't know, the lighting is not helping today. Oh, now in the bottom right of the writing on the knife you can see it. Oh, okay, it focuses on that in the back. My mistake. because I have knives that are 20 CV and CTS 24P. The latter one I have from CT also, but I never had a Böhler M390 steel, which is actually an Austrian steel. So I brought some knives for comparison. The only other hinderer stuff I have, which would be the Cryo 2, the Kershaw, pretty beat up already. It was one of my first knives. It is from the handle a tad smaller and the blade is smaller too. And here is the Zero Tolerance 0566, which seems to be the same in blade length, but the handle is also a bit shorter. Although it didn't feel that big in hand. Although you still have a bit protruding out the back, so you probably could break someone's whatever with this if you needed to. Okay, the pocket clip is reversible. You have his over travel stop, which he still feels is necessary. Very nice construction. Let's check out the centering. Well, as you would expect from Zero Tolerance. And let's check out the knife itself. Actually, not a lot of milling going on there. Actually, no milling. Okay, let's get rid of this one. And the final thing we can do is check the weight. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. It was just gone for a second, just to get some measuring tape too. As most of you know, those have been and will be available in different colors, although one is enough for me. Wait. What? Okay, 160 grams or 5.6 ounces. Oh, we can, for the inches, we can actually make good use of my Kershaw mat for once. Sorry for this unprofessional video, but it had to be done fast. Okay, so the blade length is... Okay, how are you supposed to do that right? This probably. Okay, 3.5 inches. And the handle is 4.25. Altogether it's 8.1 inches. And now we do the same in centimeters. The usable edge is 9.2 centimeters. The total length is 20.6 centimeters. and the handle length is 12.6 centimeters. Sorry, this was a bit rushed, but I wanted to see my knife very badly. I've been waiting for this a long time, and I'm pretty happy I got it today. There will be, of course, a real review of this in the future, as I intend to use it. I don't have any safe queens. Oh, one last thing before I go. The traditional size comparison between any knife and a Sebenza, and those seem to be exactly the same. Yeah. Well, that's good, I guess. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. I did, but I don't know if you did. If you did, please like this video, and if you want to see more regular videos that are scripted and prepared, then please subscribe and check back later. Have a great day. Bye bye.